Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes. Everybody is energetic after the lunch?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Had your lunch now, all of you? Did you have your lunch?
Yes, ma'am. I don't lunch. I don't eat. I don't eat lunch.
Who doesn't eat lunch? No?
Ryan not eat.
You did not eat the lunch?
No.
No. Okay, no problem. After this class, okay, after this class, you can go and eat your food. Okay, children. So, are you ready to learn math?
Yes.
Okay. On yesterday, day before yesterday, I sent 2 homeworks. Did you do?
Yes,
All of you did the homework?
Yes.
Shall I check? Yes? Homework was to write the name of sides and corners of rectangle and triangle, isn't it?
Yes.
Done, all of you?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, let me see.
Ma'am, I done my entire. I need to tell. Done one note.
Huh? I did not hear what you said.
Ma'am, I write only the entire. I want to write one time too.
Adidev has done, Nia has done, Aldrin as well has done, Joachim did? Yes, Advait, Arun, Sara, Rishikesh, Madhav, John, Srived, Devana. He has done. Then Ayush has done. Srived, again Nia, Dev and Diol has done. Juanita, Tinanda has done. What about the others? Where is the book? Show me the book first. I want to see the homework. Juanita. Okay. Yes. Who is saying now? Somebody is calling me, isn't it? Who is that person? Tell me your name. Helen has done. Okay. Darshit has done.
Ma'am.
Yes. Who is calling? Ryan. Let me see. Ryan?
Ma'am.
Yes, my dear. Who is calling? Let me know the name. Mohammed Wasim. Yes, you have done, Mohammed. Yes, he has done. Huh? Mohammed Ilham, where is your book? William? Yes, William is showing the book. Mohammed Ilham is showing. Okay. Okay. Okay, children, those who have shown me, close your book. Many has done and some have not done. Please do it today itself and tomorrow I will check it. Understood? Understood? Yes. Now, we have learned for one-dimensional figures, right? Isn't it? We have learned. What is one-dimensional figure? Which figures are called one-dimensional figures? Only one measurement. The figures which has only one measurement is one-dimensional figures. Examples? Examples are straight line, curved line. Very good. Examples are straight lines and curved lines. And what about two-dimensional figures? That also we learned, isn't it? Somebody tell me what is two-dimensional figure? Two measurements. Figures with two measurements or two-dimensional figures. What are they? The examples: triangle, rectangle, square. All these are two-dimensional figures, isn't it? So one-dimensional figure with one measurement, two-dimensional figure with two measurements. Today we are going to learn about three-dimensional figure. Okay, how many measurements it will have? How many measurements a three-dimensional figure will have? Where is the answer? I want an answer. Three measurements. Good. One-dimensional will have one measurement. Two-dimensional will have two measurements. Three-dimensional will have three measurements. That is height, length, breadth, and height. Okay, these are the three measurements the figure will have. Length, breadth, and okay. So there is so much noise is there. What I am going to do is I am going to mute everybody because I have to explain this. The three-dimensional figures. Okay, children. Okay. Yes. Now I have muted everybody. You cannot unmute by yourself. And I will tell you to unmute, only that time you have to unmute. Okay. I have muted because I want to explain the three-dimensional figures. You people are talking and making noise. Right. That's why I muted everybody. Okay, children? Now, three-dimensional figures will have three measurements. That is length, breadth, and height. Understood? Now, three-dimensional figures are also known as 3D figures, and it is also known as solid figures. The figures in which we can fill something are solid figures, 3D figures. Okay. The first 3D figure we are going to learn is cuboid. Today, send a message in the morning to be seated in the class with any cuboidal shaped object. Did you bring any cuboidal shaped object? Those who have brought, just show me. Yes, Rishikesh has, Devna. Let me see who is the other person. Durga is having. Then Devna has. Then who? Let me check. Ayush, Janita, Mohammed, Ilham, Madhav, Dev and Diol is having. Aldrin has. Srived has. Okay, good. Joachim has. Many of you are sitting with the cuboid figure, cuboid shape, isn't it? A box known as cube in a cuboidal shaped object. Now see, I have one object. Have you seen this object? Do you know what is this object? This is the cover of Colgate toothpaste. Everybody might have seen, isn't it? In everybody's home, this cover will be there. Isn't it? Have you seen, children? Yes? Okay, yes. I have muted everybody. Okay, yes. Now, this object is made up of two rectangles. This is known as cuboid. Okay, this box is known as cuboidal shaped object. This is made up of two rectangles. I'll just show you on the board. Okay. I'm going to share. Nobody should touch any object. Neither your pencil nor the object that is kept with you. Just fold your hands and look at the board. Let me see whether you people are good children or not. All of you fold your hands. Folded? Ah, very good. Very good. Very good. Now I am going to share the board. Yes. Don't write anything. I'm going to write the heading. Please don't write anything now. I will send you the notes in the WhatsApp. You can copy down from the WhatsApp. Don't touch your book and all, okay? I'm writing the heading. It's three-dimensional or 3D shapes. Three-dimensional or 3D shapes. Three-dimensional shapes are called 3D shapes, and also it is known as solid figures. Okay. Now, the first three-dimensional figure I am going to draw is cuboid. I am going to write the name of the first shape. It's cuboid. The name of the shape is cuboid. Cuboid is made up of how many rectangles I told? Just show me the action. How many rectangles I told? It is made up of 2 rectangles. Yes, Dia, Srinanda. Okay, some are showing. Cuboid is made up of 2 rectangles. I will show you how the box is made. Okay. This is the first rectangle I drew. I put a point in the middle of the first rectangle, and the second rectangle is drawn from the middle of the first one. Okay, next I am going to darken the corners of the triangles, of the rectangles, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the corners of the first rectangle. Now I am going to darken the corners of the second rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now next, I am going to join the corners. These two are joined, these two are joined, these two, and these two are joined. Now what is this? Is this looking like a box? Whether it is looking like a box? Yes or no? If yes, then show me this action. Show me like this. Yes, that is looking like a box, isn't it? And it is made up of how many rectangles? With how many rectangles that figure is made? With how many rectangles? Tell me the number. Yes, Ihan has showed. With 2 rectangles, Dia and Ihan, Srinanda. Yes. That box is made up of 2 rectangles. What we did? We drew 2 rectangles. Then we darkened the corners. Then we joined it. Then it became a cuboid. It became a cuboidal shaped box. So the shape which is formed using 2 rectangles is known as cuboid. Understood? Yes? The shape which is drawn with 2 rectangles is cuboid. Now, this is formed using 2 rectangles. One rectangle is here, another one is at the back. When it is joined, we got a box like this. Okay. Now, I will show you how many faces this cuboid has. Now, I am holding the shape like this. I am holding this box like this. Now, I am going to count the faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. How it is counted? Up 1, down 2, front 3, back 4, side 5, another side 6. So it has how many faces? Show me the fingers. How many faces it has? 6. Rishikesh has showed me. The cuboid has 6 faces. Good. How it is counted? Up, down, front, back, and 2 side. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the way the faces of the cuboid is counted. Understood? 6 faces are there. You will count like this: up, down, front, back, and 2 side. It will become 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Got it? Did you get? How many of you got? Just raise your hand. Those who understood, just raise the hand. I am going to ask the question. Yes, Muhammad Ilham. Unmute, Muhammad. Unmute yourself, Muhammad Ilham. Yes. Show me the object you have. That is cylinder. A box. Any box do you have? Show me, lift it up. What do you have?
I know.
Any box do you have? No?
No.
No. Wait. I will ask to somebody else. Yes, Srinanda. Srinanda is there. She is having a box. Let me see how she counts. Unmute. Okay, my dear. Okay. Count it. Count and say. Count and show me. 1, 2. Yes, once more. I cannot hear you. I can see. Just show me once again. Let everybody see. Hold it like this up. Yes. Now show me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the video is not clear. Okay, good. She showed. Good. Now, Muhammad Wazim. Unmute yourself, Muhammad Wazim. Yes.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5.
5. You will get confused. If you will show like that, it will be confusing. That's why I showed you like that.
1,
Up,
2, back,
down, front, back, then 2 sides.
And 1,
Yes,
2,
1. Yes,
3,
3.
4,
Okay.
5, 6, 7.
5, 6.
Okay, good. Helen, unmute. Helen, unmute yourself, my dear. Yes. What is the object you have? Just lift the object up. Bring it near the camera. Helen?
I don't have.
Okay, okay. The children, those who are having the object Diya. Diya, unmute yourself. Diya? Yes. Okay. Lift the object up near to the camera and count it.
1, 2,
One.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am,
The video got stuck. Anyway, you counted, I think so. Once again, just show me. Now it's okay. Show me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, okay. Okay, good. The video got stuck, dear. Okay, good, dear. Now, who is the next person who is going to show me? Adidev. Next, Rishikesh. After Adidev, Rishikesh will show. Adidev, unmute yourself. Okay.
Friend,
One, two,
1, 2,
Ah,
3, 4, 5,
yes.
6.
Very good. Yes. Good, good. Now, next, Rishikesh is going to show. Unmute, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
1, 2,
Ah.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Very good, very good. Yes. Okay. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show the vertices. So now you understood that it has 6 faces. With how many rectangles cuboid is formed? Show me the action with how many rectangles the cuboid is formed? 2. Good. With 2 rectangles, the cuboid is formed. How many faces it has? How many faces it has? 6. Yes, yes. By your lip movement, I understood that you understood that how many faces are there. Okay. Now we will learn about the vertices. Okay. I'm going to show you the board. This is the cuboid we made. Next. Again, I am going to draw one rectangle. This is the first rectangle. And this is the second rectangle. Now, I am going to darken the vertices. Corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the corners of. Don't draw anything. Fold your hands. Let me see who is touching the pencil. Fold your hands. Yes. Okay. Now, I have darkened the corners of the first rectangle. Now, I am going to darken the corners of second rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, we will join it. I'm going to join it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines has been drawn and it became a box. Now, how many vertices it has? All of you look at the board. I didn't tell anybody to touch the book or pencil. All of you close your book. Dia, Jibu, close your book. Afterwards you can draw. All of you close your book. The book should be kept closed. If I will tell you to open, then only you have to open. Yes. Okay. Now, the vertices has been made darkened, isn't it? Now just count how many vertices are there. How many, corners. Dia, again you have taken the book. Dia, Jibu. Dia, what I told, did I tell you to close the book? Close it fast. Dia, close your book. Close your book. I can see everybody from here. If you will move, I am going to catch you. Nobody should move from your place. Everybody should be seated, folding the hands. Understood? Now, we are going to count the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. The corner of the first rectangle. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. The corner of the second rectangle. Dia is not at all having a habit of obeying, isn't it? Going on telling not to touch the pencil, and she is going on drawing. Now, did you see how many vertices, how many corners the cuboid has? I will show you the corners. This is the box. This is the box. From the side faces, front, up, down, front, back. Isn't it? These two are side faces. From the side faces, we will count the vertices. Take the side face and 1, 2, 3, 4. Next side, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the 8 corners of the cuboid. From the side faces, you have to count the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got? From the two side faces, you have to count the corners. The pointed part is called the corner of the cuboid. The pointed part, like this part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the corners of the cuboid. Got it? Did you get? Now let me see to whom I have to ask. Dev. Wait, Dev is having a object, isn't it? Cuboid. Show me the object. Lift it up and show me the object. Okay. Unmute. Unmute. Yes. Now show me the corners of the cuboid. 1. Yes, 2, 3. Count. Say. Count and show. Yes.
1,
Yes. 2.
5.
Who is showing? Only one person has to show, or either Deep or Diol. Yes, Diol. Okay, okay.
1, 2, 3,
3,
4,
4,
5, 6.
6. Only 6 corners.
8.
Where are the 8 corners? You did not show me the 8 corners. Show it near to the camera. Bring the object near to the camera, in front of the camera. Yeah, yes. Now show me the corners.
1,
1,
3,
2.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, okay, good. Now tomorrow I am going to ask the other person. Okay. Now, who is the other next person to show me? Adidev already showed. Nia. Yes. Okay, okay. Count and show. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Very good. Yes. Good. Now, Joachim, unmute yourself. Unmute. Fast, fast. Joachim, unmute.
I am mute.
Okay, okay. Show me. Corners. Show me the corners.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. Good, good. Yes. Good. Now, Ayush. Ayush, show me the corners.
1, 2, 3,
Yes. Now show me.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, good, good. Okay. Yes. Okay, now tomorrow I will ask to the others, those who did not. I asked only to some children, isn't it? To others, I will ask tomorrow. I will show you once again. This is a cuboidal box. Cuboidal box is made up of 2 rectangles. When the corners of 2 rectangles are joined, we will get a box like this. Okay, now 6 faces are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, let us move to the corners. From the side faces, we can count the corners. The pointed part is called the corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the 8 corners of the cuboid. Okay, now don't make noise. I'm going to unmute everybody. Okay, all of you unmute yourself and don't make too much noise over here.
Okay.
Yes. Now before winding up, just tell me, these figures will have how many measurements? 3D shape will have how many measurements?
3
measurements. 3D figures will have 3 measurements. How the cuboid is formed? With how many rectangles cuboid is formed? 2 rectangles. A cuboid is formed with 2 rectangles. How many faces a cuboid has? 6. A cuboid has 6 faces. How many corners a cuboid has? 8. Don't forget the numbers. I will send you the notes. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Bye, children. Thank you.
Bye.